Hey everybody, I am Gabby, but on this platform you know me as GabbyBadddCurly. Welcome back to my channel, old or new. I am doing a protective style today, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it from step by step. I'm going to use my hot shot tools to blow dry my hair to get it as straight as possible. Don't forget to like this video because it's free and it matters. Yeah. I'm back, and I have my hair in parts all ready. I'm going to do the rubber band method. This is the hair brand that I'm using, Mayde Beauty Braid. I think it's Mayde. I got a 3-pack, which is like 3 bundles of hair in 1 pack. Usually this pack of this one pack of hair is usually like $8.99 at my hair store. But this was $11.99 for a 3-pack. So I got 2 packs of 3. And this is what the ends look like before, after. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay. This part is important. So you have your 2 long strands and my natural hair out. So I make sure that my 2 strands are even before I start braiding. So I'll do this switch side to side method to see if I got both strands, and then I pull it and see if it's even on my waist. I can't see. Tighten up my roots so it's real nice and snug. Okay. I use the Shine and Gem. You can use any kind of gel that you like. Just split that with the 2 strands on each side. So I make 3. Okay. So I hold 1. Tap that. I switch. I don't know why I can't do both hands. Same amount of gel. And just rub that gel in. You can use a brush if you feel like your hair is not smooth enough. But my texture really blends in with this texture of hair. I don't really have to do that much to blend it. Okay, so make sure I put enough gel in there, right? Make sure your root is not bushy. Tighten as needed. And then start your twist or braid. More gel as needed. So to keep going with my gel, I put like a little bit on each strand, rub it, keep twisting, add more. Smooth that out, and just keep going. My rear hair is gone. Now I'm just twisting the added hair down. Make sure your strands are split. This hair does get tangled a lot. I want to point that out. This hair does get tangled a lot. This hair definitely gets matted quickly. You guys can see me. I'm 5'6". People think I'm 5'7". I'm really 5'6". And these are almost waist length on me. I'm nothing but legs, y'all. I'm nothing but legs. Get my rubber band ready. Okay, now see how nice and tight it looks right now? That tension is gonna loose up. So here we go. This is how it looks.